the welcome address. Ma'am, please.
Good morning, everybody. At the very outset, let me wish all my dear children a very happy Children's Day. After so many days, we are able to see the smiling faces in the school premises. May God help us, save us, and allow all these children come back to school and bring life to the school. So on this very special day, I would like to welcome Shri M.K. Agarwal ji, GM Town Services, who is also our LMC member, and he has taken out his valuable time in spite of this bad weather to grace the occasion and bless the children. Children, you know that without you, life is nothing for all of us. If you are there, there is life in these four walls. Otherwise, everything was just silent and nothing. There was no smile on the faces of the teachers. Even though they were taking online classes, they were not enjoying without you people. So you are really very precious for all of us. And for you, coming to school is equally important.
मैं छठी कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सबके समक्ष बाल दिवस के ऊपर कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। साल में कोई एक दिन बच्चों के नाम कर देना मात्र बाल दिवस का उद्देश्य नहीं, बल्कि हमें बाल दिवस के दिन बच्चों के विकास और मंगल का संकल्प लेते हैं और पूरा करते हैं। विश्व के हर देश में अलग अलग तिथियों में बाल दिवस मनाया जाता है। भारत में हम 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस मनाते हैं।
if the students are provided with good education, then they can build a prosperous nation. On this occasion, this day is a reminder. This day is a reminder to every citizen of India to provide proper education, nurturing, and the best of everything for each and every student of nation, because they are only the building blocks of the nation.
मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल ही छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल ही छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। ये छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। यही छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की स्वर्ग से धरती खिल रही जैसे मेरा मन भी तो खिल रहा वैसे कोयल की तरह गाने का अरमान
ceremony of is being held. A very good morning to all of you, respected Jaswinder Ma'am, Principal DAV School, teachers, staff, children, students, ladies and gentlemen. I just find that because I am this management committee of the school from as a RSP representative, so I have come here twice or thrice earlier also, and I find this there is a lot of this enthusiasm in the school students as well as the teachers in organizing different functions, whether it is tree plantation or whether it is picnic or any other function. So I will just like to congratulate and just request all the teachers as well as the students that to maintain that tempo. At the same time, I will just like to mention one thing that I will like to congratulate all the prize winners. I will just like to tell one thing that they are here because they have put in a lot of hard work. But at the same time, I will just like to add one thing that you must have heard the story of tortoise and rabbit. So there is a different perspective to it. You must be knowing that that rabbit had the potential, but it did not win the race because it was not committed, it was not focused. Whereas on the other hand, the tortoise was not that talented, but it was focused, committed, and kept on doing the hard work. Likewise, in life, this is very much true, and almost more than 90% of majority of cases that is true. You may be having, one may be having a talent, but that person may not be that successful in his one's life.